Hi everyone, it's Fiona from Major League Hacking and Tech Together, here to help you complete stop number 2. And today we have help from GitHub's mascot, Octocat. I have one here in the back here. Super cute little octopus that you may see all over the GitHub platform in this tutorial. So let's go ahead. We're going to work together and we're going to create a repository on GitHub. So while I go ahead and share my screen, go ahead and click that link in the Discord. It should be hackpack/Microsoft stop number 2. And it will take you to this gorgeous landing page where we have our little Octocat right here. So you're going to go ahead and half of you may have accounts already. Half of you maybe don't have accounts, which is awesome. Welcome to GitHub. And you're going to go ahead, if you don't have an account, click the sign up link, where you'll go ahead and you'll fill out this form, and that will help you create an account and kind of get up to speed. And then if you already have an account, you'll go ahead and you'll sign in. Now, whether you already have an account or you don't have an account, eventually you're going to get to this page, and this is the dashboard for your GitHub account. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click this kind of plus sign in the corner that's right next to your profile image. And we're going to go ahead and hit new repository. Now, everyone's landing page here might look a little bit different based off of the settings in your GitHub. Mine may look a little bit different from yours, so don't let that bother you. What we really need to worry about is like these elements that are required that everyone will have on their page. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the owner, which will be your username. So I'm going to go ahead and click my own username as the owner, Fiona. And then you can call your repository anything. You could do like Octocats are cute, or, Microsoft Passport Challenge submission, or Fiona's awesome, whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and do Microsoft Challenge here. Now, if you want to add a description, you can, but you don't have to. And I recommend making it public just so that we can validate the submission and see the repository that you made. Otherwise, we won't be able to view it and approve of your submission and see the proof. Everything else here you can skip. Don't worry about all this extra settings here. Now I'm going to pause real quick and just give you a quick description of what a repository is for those that are new to it. So the way that I think of a repository is like a Google Doc. So you create a Google Doc to be able to collaborate with other people in real time. And a repository is just like that, except it's for code. So for example, you might use a repository at a hackathon to house your code, for example, maybe a website. And the repository would allow your team to collaborate on that website in real time. And I'm sure we'll have some, awesome GitHub workshops at almost all the MLH events that you attend. So if you want to learn more about how to use this tool, you should definitely sign up for one of those workshops or events. But for now, we don't need to worry about that. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to hit create repository. Now we're all set. You did it. Woohoo! But we need to figure out what we need to save for the submission. So we're going to go ahead and you're going to save this link for your submission so that we can just see the proof that you ended up creating the repository at the time that you said that you did. So we'll go ahead, and when I go to submit for the challenge, I will just copy this link and you're good to go. And that is my tutorial for stop number 2. I will see you at the next stop, and congrats on completing this one. Happy hacking, everyone. Bye.